Today we're making a double red pepper panini with golden potato edges and herbed aioli. Start by cutting Yukon gold potatoes into half-inch wedges. Toss them with olive oil, salt and pepper, and half of the Italian seasonings. Spread them on one half of a baking sheet and roast on the top rack at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Roasted potato wedges are served on the side with extra aioli, and everything comes together in about 30 minutes. While the potatoes roast, prepare the vegetables. Peel and slice a red onion into thick rounds. Cut a bell pepper into strips and slice zucchini into thin rounds. Toss the onion and bell peppers with olive oil, salt, and pepper in a medium bowl. While the veggies roast, heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the zucchini slices in a single layer and cook for 2 to 4 minutes per side until golden and tender. Set them aside and wipe out the pan. In a small bowl, mix mayonnaise with half the garlic powder, the remaining Italian seasoning, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add salt and pepper to taste. This creamy herbed aioli will complement the panini and potato wedges perfectly. Spread some of the aioli on half the sourdough slices and the roasted red pepper spread on the other half. They are mozzarella cheese, roasted onion, bell pepper, and a few slices of zucchini onto the bread. Roast the sandwiches to seal in the flavors. Heat a drizzle of oil in the same pan over medium heat. Add the sandwiches and press them down with a spatula or a heavy bottomed pan. Cook for 2 to 4 minutes per side until the bread is golden and the cheese is melted. Lower the heat if needed to avoid burning. Cut the panini diagonally and serve with golden potato wedges and extra herbed aioli on the side for dipping. Enjoy.